Hey guys, over here back with another Skylanders Swap Force unboxing, and today we're going big, going all out. Having a look at a triple pack. Today we're having a look at the Mega Ram Spyro, Blizzard Chill, and Zulu triple pack. There's their concept art on the top there. Zulu's is pretty cool. He's got like animals in the background there. Hopefully it says their catchphrases. Spyro's is all fired up, Chill's is stay cool, and Zulu's is Nay Chuckles. And he says it in a funny accent. And he does look like someone from Kung Fu Panda, before I move on. 8-Bit Theater taught me that. And on the back here you can see more characters. The Earth element. All those are out actually. Fire element. Not all those are out. Life element. I'm not sure about the camo. I thought the camo was out. Magic element. Pop Fizz is out. Who are the other two here? Mega Ram Spyro. Okay, he's out. Dune Bug, he is not. I thought they just released more. I'm not sure. I thought I saw it on TV the other day. Then here's a picture of Spyro, Chill, and Zulu. There's stuff on the top on how to use basic Skylanders. So let's crack this thing open. Now, this is my first triple pack, so bear with me if this has to go into a part 2 or something. Shouldn't. I'm gonna try and nail it one shot. Crap. Maybe that's not gonna happen. There. I'll just pop this little threesome deal out. So, looks like we may just have to hack the label off. So let me do that quick. Oh, shoot. There we go. Kind of messy on that. Whatever. Pull the label off. Bring the tray back. Let's pop out the new guy first. He's a huge, a big son of a gun. Come on. Come on, you. There we go. We'll put him behind camera for the moment. Chill might be a little bit easier. She went flying out. There she is. She's got crazy looking armor there. I like this pose better than the other one. Tell you that much. Mega Ram Spyro. He's got some pretty insane looking horns there. I kind of like them. I know some people don't. I like the horns, and this stuff will pop forward and bring back. Mega Ram Spyro, Blizzard Chill, and Zulu. Stuff popped out now, so now we will get the box all reassembled. How long did that take? Long enough. Those two little things up. Oh shoot, we put the bottom in. Okay, this so far is turning into a catastrophe. And opening it alone took up 4 minutes. Come on, get in there. There we go. What the heck? It just doesn't want to go back in. Don't understand what we're doing. There. There's your triple pack. That could have went way better. I'll try to improve my triple pack opening skills, but here are the figures. Zulu, Blizzard, Chill, and Mega Ram Spyro. We'll try to go through them quick. There's a close-up of Mega Ram Spyro. I like the horns. His tail looks bigger too. I think it is. Looks like he's ready to charge and ram you in the face. I quite like that. Those wings seem like they're on backwards. Supposed to be like that. I don't know, maybe they are. Oh, yeah, they got the little points down. But his card here, of course, has to be on the bottom. 75 out of 200 offense, 60 out of 200 defense, 110 out of 200 speed, and 65 out of 200 luck. His sticker here, trying not to give you the code. Mega Ram Spyro, there's the graphic there. Alrighty, done with him. Blizzard Chill. She looks pretty cool, no pun intended. Her staff feels a little different, well, her blade feels a little different, so does her shield, and of course her armor is what's different. It's got more spikes, which I like. Pretty insane looking, if you ask me, but that's it for her. And then her stats are... Okay, hers is actually facing the right way. 45 out of 200 offense, 120 out of 200 defense. I would think so. That's some crazy looking armor. 50 out of 200 speed and 95 out of 200 luck. It's pretty well rounded. Here's the sticker and the name tag. There's Blizzard Chill. Next up we got Zulu. He's pretty cool looking. Like I said, he's like Kung Fu Panda. That's what the 8-bit theater said anyway. And he's got like the wolf head facing that way. I think that's the bird head facing that way. And then this one on the back I think is the boar. Because that's what he uses. He's got a cape. I never thought he would have had a cape. I thought he would have just had a brown robe. But cape is cool. He's got these little gold buttons here. Yeah. Pretty nice. He's got a little ponytail too. It's kind of funny. Zulu here. Stats looking kind of low here. 65 out of 200 offense, 95 out of 200 defense, 30 out of 200 speed. He's kind of slow. 120 out of 200 luck. And then there's a sticker and his little name tag there. We will just put these up with the rest of them. Forming our piles here. As we throw stuff all over the place. Stickers and cards. Alrighty. So that's about it for this triple pack. Size comparison, well, you could pretty much get a gist of it right there. Zulu is by far the tallest out of the three, I think. So yeah, and hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and stay tuned, we're not done. We're going to do the Fiery Forge Battle Pack next, so stay tuned for that. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Peace!